Hi, beautiful African fashion lovers. I'm so delighted to welcome you all back to another beautiful and elegant episode on our YouTube channel at Diza House of Fashion. Thank you all for joining me to watch amazing and beautiful latest Ankara Maxi Gown styles that will bring to your screen today. Trust I meet you all well and hope you're all doing good. And we have so many lovely latest Ankara Maxi Gown styles that you can try it for your next event that you love to attend, and you'll be seeing so many lovely latest Ankara Maxi Gown styles. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you're not joining us for the first time, because on this YouTube channel we'll be training you on how to cut and sew beautiful and elegant styles, and we've done so many lovely tutorials that you can sit back and scroll to our YouTube channel to learn how to cut and sew. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I really want to thank you all for always tuning in. Enjoy the latest Ankara Maxi Gown styles to the end, and make sure you give this collection a thumbs up. Also share this video. Enjoy watching them to the end. Thank you all for watching all these beautiful styles that will bring to your screen today. Which of them would you love to rock to your next event? Kindly hit the subscribe button if you are joining us for the first time, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we bring you a new video, you'll be the first to get the updates. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I really want to thank you all. Have a beautiful and lovely time, and always make sure you are staying safe. Bye for now.